Well, greetings from Bill O'Leary. Today I'm going to answer the question, can SSI benefits be garnished to pay debt? So you're going to learn three things in this video. Number one, what is SSI? Number two, how is SSI different from other types of Social Security payments? And three, whether unpaid creditors can seize SSI benefits. Quickly, let me introduce myself. My name is Bill O'Leary. I'm an estate planning and elder law and probate attorney in Jacksonville and Northeast Florida, and my firm is Legacy Planning Law Group. So let's jump right in. Look, if you don't pay your bills, the person or the company who's owed the bill can come after you and possibly seize your assets to satisfy the claim. They can also take your income in certain situations. Imagine you fall behind on your credit card, medical bills, maybe a car loan. You run the risk that these creditors can get a court order to what's called garnish your wages. This is where the court takes your wages against your will, and there's a standing court order to grab your wages. The creditor goes to court to get a court order to take money out of your bank account. Now, what if your income comes from Social Security? Can an unpaid creditor garnish those payments and take them away? It all depends on the kind of Social Security payment that it is. There are basically three types of Social Security benefits. One is the Social Security that you probably have in mind, the one that you get when you reach a certain age. Two, something called Social Security disability, which is a benefit paid to somebody who has a disability. And three, SSI, which is short for Supplemental Security Income. All three types are administered by the Social Security Administration, but they're very different, and people often confuse and conflate the three. Here in this video, I'm just talking about SSI. And the good news is that SSI cannot be garnished by most creditors. So those creditors that we would call them regular creditors are prohibited by federal law from seizing the SSI check. And regular creditors include, let's say, credit card companies, personal loans, payday loan lenders, repo debt, okay, for the car, medical bills. So those are regular creditors. Now, there is an exception for creditors like the IRS and unpaid student loans backed by the federal government. These types of creditors can garnish your SSI payments. But aside from what we call those super creditors, for most other regular creditors, they can't take your SSI payments. So good news there. And real quick, why? Why is SSI protected from seizure? The reason is that SSI is a program for the elderly or disabled with very little income. And the SSI payment is critical to take care of the basic needs for survival, like food, clothing, and shelter. And so that, those that are on SSI can rest easy that their SSI payment is not going to get garnished. Now, having told you that your SSI payments cannot be seized, look, life is messy. Mistakes get made, and creditors all the time will go get garnishment court orders and attach them to accounts that are receiving SSI payments, maybe where the account is receiving other sorts of income from other sources. Now you have a mess on your hands trying to fight City Hall and unwind the illegal seizure order. The easiest thing to do is just set up a separate bank account and just direct the SSI payments into that account and that account alone. That way, you keep the SSI separate from your other income. So if you'd like to know a little bit more about whether SSI payments can be garnished to pay debts and maybe how we can help, we'd love to talk to you. So we'd invite you to book a free 15-minute phone call with us. We call it our discovery phone call. Let's discover your situation and to see if we can help you. And scheduling the call could not be any easier. So just go to the bottom of this video, and there's a scheduling link. Click on it, takes you straight to our booking calendar. Pick a day and time that works for you. Also would invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for Legacy Planning Law Group, a growing library of videos about other topics related to estate planning, wills and trust, elder law, and probate and trusts. So if you've enjoyed this video, I would ask that you like it, better yet, share it. get the word out. So Bill O'Leary signing off for now on behalf of everybody here. Go make it a great day and a better world.